Time now for another check of your forecast. Sky 6 is taking a live look outside. This is near 15th and JFK, right outside of City Hall. You can start to see what looks like a couple of flurries just starting to come down. So meteorologist Karen Rogers is here this morning with our forecast. So much to talk about, and everyone wants to know about the timing when all this is really going to ramp up.
Right. When right now you're okay heading out. You have errands to run. You have things to do. It's no problem. It's late afternoon and into the evening. That's when the weather deteriorates. And we now have blizzard warnings, not just for along the coast, but even for Philadelphia, even for the southern end of the Poconos. And that's because of the strong winds expected with this. So we watch, the winds are calm right now. This really hasn't happened just yet, but we watch this low take hold. I think by 3-4 o'clock, you're already seeing along the gust along the coast, reaching perhaps 40 miles an hour. And then through the height of the storm in the evening hours at 8 o'clock, you have those 50-mile-an-hour gusts along the coastline and even heading towards 40 miles an hour in the city itself, straight through into the middle of the night. And that's what you need for those blizzard warnings. Strong winds blowing that snow and reducing visibility. And it does look like that's what we got a shot for in the city, as surely east of the city. Storm Tracker 6 Live with our multi-sweep scan showing what we're mostly seeing now are some rain showers. Yeah, you might see a wet flake or two mix in, but it's not a big deal. The temperatures are telling the story, and they are right now in the upper 30s through much of the region. Satellite and radar showing this storm still hasn't taken shape. Yes, you see that snow north and west, the rain to the south, but we haven't had that low deepen and intensify yet. That's what happens during the day. We all get to watch this unfold together today. Let's take a look at Storm Tracker 6, and we watch Future Tracker showing even 11 o'clock, we still have 39 degrees and rain coming down in the city. You've got that light snow north and west, but even there, temperatures above 35 degrees is not accumulating. Then we watch as the sun gets ready to set. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Snow is starting to take over the region, but the temperature's a little slow to drop. So at first, the first couple of inches are just melting on that wet surface. Then by 7 o'clock, it's starting to ramp up. This is where we see those darker shades moving in. The temperatures now drop to the freezing mark at 7 o'clock. The trouble is it continues all night long. I think the peak intensity still wraps up maybe 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, but we're still looking at snow through the region at that point. And this is one slight change. There are models showing, although it's light, we still could have some accumulating snow through maybe about lunchtime or so tomorrow before those final flurries wrap up. So as we look at the hour-by-hour forecast, you're in the upper 30s this morning. You've got the rain coming down. It's pretty light. Even some wet flakes are coming down at 1, 2, 3, but that temperature still above freezing. In fact, it's about 37. It takes to the evening hours to get that temperature to drop to freezing, and that's when you really start to see that accumulation. So 4 to 8 inches north and west, 8 to 12 inches for the core of our area with 12 to 18 along the shore. I'm looking at some new model information that'll be coming in shortly. We'll see if we need to bump these numbers up. The trouble is, one thing is the first part is melting, but the other thing is it's lasting a little longer. So we're balancing the two. Here's your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day rain and snow showers and 39 for your high. That's not a great setup for blizzard conditions, but then those temperatures drop. It's coming down heavily all night, continuing through tomorrow morning. Lingering snow showers lasting through now looks like the early afternoon. Tuesday, partly sunny and breezy, 34, and Wednesday into Thursday we could have a few more rain or snow showers around. Friday, clouds and sun, 43, finally nicer on Saturday. So a complex system. Yeah. We hit the low 50s yesterday. We're hitting about 40 today. We need it to come down hard enough to get it to accumulate, and it does that. We just have to see what time it does that. I think it starts to accumulate more, maybe 6, 7 o'clock.